This video will show you how to add a drop-down menu in Excel 2019. First, click on the cell where you want to place the drop-down menu. In this example, we are going to keep cell A1 and use the data in cells A2 to A6 as drop-down options, so we select A2. Then, click the Data tab from the menu bar. Then click the Data Validation button. Now select a list from the Allow drop-down field. Left-click on the Source field. And then click and drag across the cells that you want to include in your drop-down list. The source fields are the cells that contain the options that you want to appear in your drop-down list. These cells can be located anywhere in your worksheet or workbook. Finally, click the OK button when you are finished making your selection. At this point, you can click the cell and you should see a drop-down list containing the data you selected. And that should be it.